Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase the Dogelon token from Trust Wallet and Uniswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to transfer your Ethereum from a place like Binance or Coinbase into your Trust Wallet, and then you're able to purchase Dogelon using Uniswap. It's actually pretty easy and simple to do. I like to point out as well, I do have lots of cryptocurrency videos on my channel, and I will be uploading daily on new coins and how to purchase those coins right when they come out. So if you're a beginner and you need help purchasing these coins, I would really consider subscribing, and I'd also appreciate it as well. Anyhow, I'll be showing you guys step by step how to do this, so just follow along and you guys will be able to purchase this coin. So the first step that you guys want to do is you guys want to download Trust Wallet from the App Store. So just head over to the App Store and type in Trust Wallet. So you're going to head over here, search, then just search for Trust Wallet. And it'll just be this first one right here, Trusts, and then the crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So you just want to download that first. Then obviously you want to make sure that you have Binance or Coinbase or an exchange of some sort. And then create accounts on Binance, which is pretty straightforward. Most of you guys probably already have that, or an exchange that you guys at least have access to. So I'll just leave that as it is. So just make sure you guys download the Trust Wallet first. Once you guys do that, you can exit out of here and open up Trust Wallet. You'll then be greeted with this right here to create a new wallet. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on create a new wallet. And then it's going to let you know here that you have to back up your wallet now, and you will see 12 words that allows you to recover your wallet in the next step. So you just got to click on the bottom here that I understand that if I lose the recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. So it's very, very important that you guys do not lose these words, or else you will lose access to your wallet. And I do not recommend taking a screenshot either. I recommend just writing it down on a piece of paper and putting it in a safe place. Anyhow, you just want to click on I understand for that and then continue. Then here is your 12 words that you cannot show anyone or anything like that. I'm obviously not going to use this account. That's why I'm okay showing it. But these are the words that you guys want to write down and keep in a safe place, or else you could lose all your cryptocurrencies that you have in your wallet. Very, very important. Anyhow, once you're done writing this stuff down, you can click on continue. And then you're going to have to put the words in here to verify the recovery phrase. So just make sure you guys go ahead and do that. And then once you guys put those words in and in the right order, you will see this message here that your wallet was successfully created. That's exactly what you want to see. So you just want to go ahead and click on OK here. And then what you guys want to do next is you want to transfer over some Ethereum. And to transfer over Ethereum, we're going to be using Binance. So I'm just going to exit out of this platform here and head over to Binance. Once you guys are on Binance here, you just want to choose the deposit type that you guys want to send in, whether it's a bank transfer or a credit or debit card. So I'm just going to do credit or debit card. You just want to click on that there. And then you want to go to where it says buy here and just switch this to Ethereum. Once you guys do that, you just want to go ahead and add in the amount of currency that you guys want to exchange into Ethereum. So let's just say if we're going to do $500, we can go ahead and type $500. And then we'll show us here, we'll get 0.159 Ethereum. Now, if you're okay with whatever you see here in the transaction, you can go ahead and click on continue and purchase the Ethereum. So now, once you guys are done doing that, you can just back out of here. And you want to go over to your wallets and find where your Ethereum is located. So I'm just going to find Ethereum here. Once you're on Ethereum, you just want to go ahead and click on it and then click on withdraw at the bottom. Now what you guys want to do is you guys want to go over to your Trust Wallet and get the address for the deposit. So we're going to go back out into Trust Wallet, click on Ethereum, then click on receive, and then just copy this address right here. Then we can back out of here, go back over to our Binance, and just copy this address in at the top. I already have mine in my whitelist, so I can go ahead and put that in. Now what you guys want to do is you guys want to go over to network, click on network, put it onto ERC20, confirm, and then just type the amount of Ethereum that you guys want to send over to your Trust Wallet. Most of you probably just want to do max if you just have that Ethereum by itself, or else you can just type in the amount of Ethereum that you guys want to send over. Once you guys are done doing that, you just want to click on withdraw at the bottom here, and it will take a couple minutes for it to send over to your Trust Wallet. Once it has been a couple minutes, you guys can head over to your Trust Wallet, and I'll show you guys what to do next. And once you have your Ethereum in your Trust Wallet, all you guys have to do now is add your token Dogelon into your Trust Wallet. And to do that, I'll have a link over to Etherscan in the description. And you guys just want to go over to Etherscan right here. And you just want to copy the contract ID. So you're just going to scroll down and you'll see the contract ID right here. You want to go ahead and copy that. Once you've copied it, you guys can exit out of here and go into your Trust Wallet. Once you guys are back in your Trust Wallet, you guys can just go to the top right corner where you see the 2 lines and the 2 dots. Click on that and go to the search and paste that address that we just got into here. We'll then see the Dogelon token. So you just go ahead and enable that and click on done. Once you guys have done that, you guys got to make sure that you have your browser enabled. So if you guys don't have a browser button at the bottom of your Trust Wallet, you guys have to go to the second link I have in the description. It'll bring you over to the Trust Wallet website. And all you guys have to do on here is just go to step 1 and click on this little link. Once you click on the link, it'll open up this trust page here. You just have to click on open. And then it'll open back up your Trust Wallet and add in the dApps browser, which you need to access Uniswap. So it's very important that you guys add this. And like I said, I'll have this linked in the description and comment section down below if you guys need it. So once that is done, you can just go back into your Trust Wallet. And what we have to do now is we want to purchase the coin. So we're just going to go over to browser and we're going to go to Uniswap. Once we're in Uniswap here, we just want to make sure your wallet is connected. So you see at the bottom here, my contract ID and my wallet ID is on there. So you just want to make sure that you click on connect and then click on trust wallet, and then it will add your wallet ID in there. Once your wallet ID is in there, it'll show you your balance of Ethereum, which is what you need to purchase the coin. Once you're good there, you can go ahead and click on select a token. And you just want to go in here and click on paste on the address that we just copied from Etherscan as well. And then you should see the Dogelon token right there. So you just click on import. And it's going to let you know that you're trading at your own risk. Anyone can create a fake token, including fake versions, existing tokens, and claims to represent projects. If you purchase this token, you may not be able to sell it back. It's just because it is a new token, and you got the contract ID directly from Etherscan, so I wouldn't be too worried about it. Obviously, there's a risk with every cryptocurrency that you guys trade, so that you need to be aware of. But anyhow, if you just click on I understand and import, that will import into there for you. Now, one thing I would like to point out, if you guys have any issues purchasing this token with the slippage tolerance at the 5%, you could change the slippage tolerance by clicking on this little settings gear here and changing the slippage tolerance to whatever you would like. 12% usually works well for these kind of tokens, but you could just go ahead and type that in, and then the 12% will then be there. That's what I usually buy my tokens at. So once you guys have that in there, you guys have to type in the amount of Ethereum that you want to transfer over into the Dogelon token. So let's just say if I wanted to do 0.1 Ethereum, it will then show you how much of the token that you're going to get in exchange. Now, if you're okay with that exchange, you guys can just click on where it says insufficient ETH balance for me here. Once you guys click on that, it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your fees and your conversion rate. And if you guys are okay with that, you guys can just click on confirm. And then if you exit out of Uniswap and go back over to your wallet, you will then see your Dogelon token in your wallet here, and you should be good to go. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to purchase this token. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.